Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the next hill. Today I'm hiking from Brevort Lake Park, Brevort Lake Campground actually, because that's where I'm staying for a couple nights. But yeah, today will be a 6.8 mile out and back, which will be like, well, it's 6.8 miles to Brevort Lake Road, and then 13.6 for like a total. So not too long today, but it's a section I need to crank out. So we are going to see lots of cool things. So we're going to see Brevort River, and then we're going to see the widest part of Brevort Lake. So that's going to be sweet. Because, I mean, it was already pretty wide, actually, at my campground. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than that, just by judging by other lakes I saw. But you can never really judge by it when you're looking, like, miles above on a map. So it's pretty big. I like it. This is awesome. We're going to see some really cool things today. The colors are changing. It's sweet. We're going to do it. What's over the next hill? Let's get it. Well, that's it for this section of the NCT. This was super nice. I really enjoyed this area. I didn't see any hikers this time, but the lake was super pretty. Saw some boaters and stuff going along there. It would definitely be a really good place to boat because the lake is super calm, just like glass. The Brevort River was really cool too. It was super windy and not very fast, had lots of vegetation covering certain areas, but it was really clear though. I didn't see too many animals besides lots of little frogs again, and I did see lots of fungi. I swear every time I come out here on the NCT, I see a new type of fungi. There's so many cool mushrooms out here. I'm glad I got to come up here when the leaves were beginning to change, but I can only imagine when it's mid-fall, this area has got to be super pretty. But yeah, no, definitely come and camp up here if you can, because it's pretty secluded, it's nice. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, get out there and do some hiking. Enjoy yourself. What's over the next hill?